If you're looking for new ink cartridges, I think these are a great choice. Let's check them out. Right away, this is a pretty straightforward replacement for HP 62XL users. You're getting one black and one tri-color cartridge, so it covers the essentials without overcomplicating anything. The first thing to check with any replacement is the ink compatibility, and this one's made for a pretty wide range of HP printers, including Envy and OfficeJet models. These are remanufactured cartridges, which means they've been reused and rebuilt rather than made from scratch. But the important part in everyday use is whether they install cleanly and whether the printer reads them properly, which it worked perfectly for me. On paper, the big selling point here is page yield. The black cartridge is rated up to 750 pages and the color cartridge for up to 450 pages. To put that into real life terms, that's the kind of capacity that makes more sense for someone printing school packets, shipping labels, recipes, work documents or occasional color pages without running out after just a handful of uses. So that's it. If you're looking for a simple HP 62XL replacement set, this is a solid everyday option. Good stuff.